In this video, we present a hypothetical scenario in which an in-field officer is on a patrol and is trying to determine the areas that are more susceptible to crimes in his current patrol region at the current time. He first uses the system's risk profile feature and selects all crimes from the menu to determine the regions of high activity in his surroundings. The risk profile displays his current location by default on the map and plots the selected crimes occurring within a specified radius within a plus-minus 3-hour time window from the current time. He uses his domain knowledge to set this radius to cover the regions of his interest. The resulting risk profile heat map is displayed, with the heat map showing the regions where crimes occur closest in time to his current time. The hotspots so formed guide the officer to regions that have a high probability of incidents occurring at his current location and time, thereby enabling him to narrow down the regions that deserve more of his attention during his patrol. The officer now directs his attention to the important landmarks that occur in his patrol region in order to determine whether there's a spatial correlation between the offenses and these landmarks. In this scenario, he chooses to correlate burglary, robbery, and theft crimes with bus stops, with the hypothesis being that there may be a correlation among them. For example, a criminal may utilize buses as a method of escape after a crime. Now, in order to correlate the selected crimes and bus stops, the officer selects the spatial correlation option in the system and draws a rectangle on the map in the region of his interest. The system breaks this rectangle into spatial grids and computes the individual multivariate local Moran's I statistic at each of these spatial grids. The system automatically computes the spatial correlation between the crimes and the bus stops and colors the grids with the correlation values so obtained on a divergent color scheme. The spatial locations where crimes are positively correlated with bus stops can be seen from the results. This analysis further gives him an indication of the regions to focus on in his patrol. With all these results at hand, the officer further uses his domain knowledge to make an informed decision regarding the current situation.